Listen.
You know, I keep hearing people talk about this vibrational bed. I get on, I thought it was gonna be like, yo, I got on that bed and within like 5 seconds, before the vibrations even came, I was like, something's different. I could literally feel something different, like my body was preparing for something.
Feel that? Tune into that sensation. Let the vibration create space in your mind.
And by the time I was done, I felt all 100 trillion of my cells in my body say yes. It was like the ultimate stimulation.
And I'm just walking around with all these overwhelming thoughts of what I need to do, where I need to be. And then when I get on the sound bed and I really just release all of that and surrender into the experience, when I get up, I just feel an immense amount of clarity in who I am and what I'm doing. And I also feel so much trust that it's all working out for me. And then whatever story my mind was creating before that is like, poof, like just gone.